convert MSG files regularly, you know how important accuracy, speed, and compatibility are. Introducing Softaken MSG to MBOX Converter, your all-in-one solution to seamlessly convert MSG files into MBOX and over 16 other email formats. Advanced features of Outlook MSG to MBOX Converter. Complete conversion, quality, migrate. Orphan MSG files, convert attachment, along with mail how to use Softaken MSG Converter. Getting started is simple. Download and install the Softaken MSG Converter software from our official site. Once installed, launch the application. Choose between folder mode or file mode to select your MSG files. Instantly, the tool scans and loads all your emails, displaying a complete preview including attachments. Whether it's a single file or a batch of orphan MSG files, Softaken handles it all, ensuring complete conversion accuracy along with every attachment. Next, click Export. From here, select your desired format: PDF, HTML, MHTML, EML, EMLX, MBOX, PST. Use advanced filters like date range, file naming options, and even duplicate removal to fine-tune your conversion. Choose your destination folder, click Convert Now, and let the software do the rest. Fast, efficient, and 100% reliable. Need help? Our dedicated support team is here for you. Just reach out at support@softaken.com. Thanks for watching.